What animal can unleash a jolt strong enough to knock you off your feet? Meet the electric eel, nature's own living battery. When it hunts, this extraordinary fish sends out rapid bursts of electricity, up to a jaw-dropping 600 volts, enough to stun, paralyze, or even kill its prey in murky river waters. It zaps so fast that fish literally leap out of hiding, making them easy pickings. Imagine being a fish and suddenly getting hit by lightning underwater. Would you have guessed an animal could do that? Like, subscribe and share for more.